Welcome to Landria, Onkka on YouTube, here to help you break through those fears and live an awesome life. Okay, are you ready? This is so simple, yet we don't believe it because we've been told everything but that we are the one here playing out a game, experiencing everything it could possibly be. And you're one of those expressions. But you believe you're an individual that is separate from it. Because if you didn't believe that, the game wouldn't work. We have to come down here and believe that we are separate entities and that we're making decisions just for this. And that's changing. We're finding out it's not true. We're all one energy, and that is a fact. That's quantum physics. It's so simple. You are the one just experiencing this role that you chose to play. Don't be wishing to be somebody else. You chose this role, and you have to play this role out on this planet. It is unlike anything else in the cosmos, in any universe. There's nothing like this planet, these bodies, this society. It's unique. There is nothing else in the entire creation of anything like you. Every single one of us is completely 100% unique, just like a snowflake. You are here as one energy, just playing out a role, and we're taking it so seriously. And why are we in pain here? Why do we struggle? Because we're taking it so seriously. Because we believe the separation. The separation is the only thing causing us to suffer on this planet. Right? If we didn't believe we were separate, that fear would dissipate. Because we would never feel threatened by anybody else. If we knew that that person that you despise at work is you, is the same energy, is not separate from you, is just a different expression of the one. When you understand that, and you know that we're one team, one family, you can be compassionate. You can know that they're just playing their role, and that their role is testing your role. They are not a problem. That role, that husband, that boss, that mom and dad, are testing your ability to evolve as this role that you're playing in this game back to what you are. That's it. And we're getting hung up on all the minutia of the material world. There is no material world. We can change it anytime we want. We can switch into different realities, and we're not claiming that power. We haven't tapped into it, yet we're doing it at every moment. But we're doing it on such a low frequency that we're creating pain and suffering for ourselves, battling over the resources, causing pain to everything, plants, animals. You can change everything today. This is a game. Now, some of you might not like that. Games are fun. Games can challenge you. This is a game. This is an amazing, off the freaking charts game. And you get to win it for yourself. Because there are no opponents in this game. You're just playing a role out. And you can switch roles anytime you choose. You can be the villain or the hero. Every single person can. Because every single person creates their own reality. Mine is different from yours. It has to be. You're not in my body. You do not see the world as I do. You're not choosing what I choose. Your reality will always be different than everybody else's. You can end up on a planet that blows up, and I can be on a planet that turns into heaven on earth and goes into a golden era of peace. Because nothing is static. Everything expands. And there are unlimited dimensions frequencies and vibrations. A vibration is what makes colors look different. Frequencies, colors. A table versus a plant is just a different vibration. All made up of the same one energy. All of us are made up the same one energy. Just different combinations of it. That's it. So we are not separate. We all come from that one energy. Creating, experiencing. You're experiencing right now. There's nothing to battle. There's nothing to blame. There's nothing, no victim out there. There's nothing to look at and say, I don't hold that power. That person has more than me. Or you have the answers and I don't. You have everything right here. And it's coming out. It's not out there coming in. You're not attracting anything. You hold the power right here and you're pushing it out and you're connecting to and creating everything out here. It's the total opposite of what most people think. You are pushing out your focus, your creative powers. You're manifesting everything at every moment. And from that, the material world is manipulated, and that focus turns a wave into a particle and it appears. And the more you focus on it, the more results you're going to see. This is it. Don't overcomplicate this. I am the creator of my world. I can forgive everybody and evolve and raise my frequency. As an individual, you get to raise your frequency. I get to change my world from one of sorrow and suffering to one of students out there learning and evolving, neither good nor bad, not to be judged, who are all going to make our way back to the one. We all will. Everything does. And I don't have those answers of what happens then. It probably explodes back out again, creating more things, constantly, always doing it, right now. Creating new stars and new planets and new beings on those planets. And who knows what else, in dimensions we don't even understand, where there are no bodies or planets or anything, just consciousness. That's exciting. And you get to transform into each of these things. Constantly, you've been all of these things, and you'll continue to be. But whatever you do here is going to determine what happens after you leave this body. You're just going to transform again. There's no dying. Energy cannot be created nor destroyed. You're going to transform into something. Don't you want to transform into something on a super high level that's amazing? Maybe you can do more good over there as a super light being that doesn't have to go through the pain of the material world. Because you're going to learn your lessons. You're going to get it right. Get it right, my friend. Get it right. Because you don't get out of anything. When you go over and if you blew your chance here, you're going to be so sorry, because I don't know about you, I'm not coming back to this planet unless it is heaven on earth. Then it'll be fun, won't it? It'll be amazing. It is amazing. We're all switching into it. We're transforming into a new earth. Unless you see it otherwise. And you get to choose that. This is simple. It's just the one playing a game, experiencing the human form, experiencing emotions and pain, experiencing conflict, experiencing the darkness, and experiencing the light in a dense human form, which is very unlike what you are from and what you truly are. Enjoy it. Do what you will with it. Raise your frequency. Be joyful. Nothing can ever harm you. You are the power of the universe. You're whole and perfect, strong and powerful, loving, harmonious, and happy. Please share my videos on Facebook, Instagram, wherever. Please spread these videos. Let's get on board with this and create a beautiful world for everyone, spreading abundance and light and love and healing. It's possible, but we must do it as one family, of which we are. Namaste.